Understanding the Figure 8 Knot, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language. Our focus will be on understanding the phrase, Figure 8 Knot. Whether you're a language enthusiast, a sailor, a climber, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of knots and uncover the meaning behind this unique term. The Figure 8 knot is a type of knot, commonly used in various activities such as sailing, climbing, and fishing. The name comes from its resemblance to the number 8 when the knot is tied. This knot is known for its strength and reliability, making it a popular choice in activities where safety is paramount. The phrase, Figure 8 knot, has its roots in nautical terminology. Historically, sailors needed to use knots that could be easily tied and untied, while also being strong and secure. The term, Figure 8, refers to the pattern the rope makes, which looks like an 8 or an infinity symbol. This visual representation is key to understanding the phrase. While the Figure 8 knot is a technical term, it's also used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, someone might say they're tying up loose ends with a Figure 8 knot, to imply they are concluding something thoroughly and securely. This usage showcases the versatility of English phrases and their ability to convey vivid imagery. In this section, we'll briefly demonstrate how to tie a Figure 8 knot. Here, you can show a simple, step-by-step visual demonstration or animation of tying the knot. This practical application helps in understanding why the knot is named so, as viewers can clearly see the Figure 8 shape taking form. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the Figure 8 knot. I hope this video has not only taught you about a specific English phrase but also shown you the beauty and practicality of language. Remember, language learning is an adventure, much like tying different knots. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.